Welcome to the world of online selling through Offerup. Mastering the platform is crucial for speeding productive sales. Whether you aim to declutter or establish a small business, many sellers face challenges in getting their products noticed in a competitive marketplace. However, with a few strategic steps, you can significantly improve your sales speed. In this video, I will show you how to make sales fast on Offerup by optimizing your listings, attracting buyers, and closing deals swiftly. Create eye-catching listings. The first and most crucial step in making fast sales on Offerup is to create listings that grab attention immediately. Start with high-quality, well-lit photos of your product from different angles. A clear and detailed image can make all the difference in attracting potential buyers. Use a plain background to make your item stand out and ensure that the image represents the product accurately. Along with photos, write a compelling title that highlights the key selling points for your item. For instance, if you're selling, say, a smartphone, instead of just writing phone for sale, try something like mint condition iPhone 12 with warranty, fast sale. Write descriptions that sell. An effective description is honestly just as important as the images. Keep your description concise but informative. Highlight features, conditions, and any unique selling points of the item. Be honest about any defects in wear and tear, as transparency will build trust. Avoid using vague language. Instead, focus on specifics that will help buyers make a decision. Indicate whether the product has undergone minimal use, remains under warranty, or includes any accessories. Adding a clear call to action, such as "message me today for a quick sale," can prompt buyers to act faster. Price competitively. Pricing your item correctly is critical to making quick sales. Research similar products on Offerup to understand the going rate for what you're selling. You want to avoid overpricing, which can lead to your item sitting unsold for way too long, but also avoid underpricing and losing potential profit. A competitive price, especially if you're willing to negotiate, can make your items more appealing to potential buyers. Offerup has a feature that allows buyers to make offers, so be open to negotiations, but set a minimum acceptable price in your mind before engaging with buyers. Promote your listing. To sell your items fast, consider promoting your listing within Offerup. The platform offers paid options to bump your listing, making it more visible to buyers. This feature enhances the visibility of your item among individuals actively seeking what you're selling. Depending on your budget and the duration of the item's highlight, you can select various promotion packages in competitive categories like electronics or furniture. Promoting a listing can honestly make a significant difference in selling speed. Respond quickly to inquiries. When attempting to sell quickly on Offerup, time is crucial. Always be ready to respond to buyers' inquiries as quickly as possible. When a potential buyer sends you a message, a prompt reply shows that you are serious and an attentive seller. It also prevents buyers from moving on to another listing. Install the Offerup app on your phone and activate your notifications to avoid missing any messages. The quicker your response, the faster you're likely to close the deal. Meet buyers safely and efficiently. So once you have secured a buyer, arrange a safe and convenient location for the transaction to happen. Offerup recommends using their community meetup spots, which are well lit and monitored areas, often near police stations. Safety should always be a priority, but you should also aim to meet buyers quickly to close the sale. By offering flexible times or even meeting halfway, you can expedite the process and ensure the sale of your item without unnecessary delays. Selling on Offerup can be a fast and effective way to declutter your home and make some extra money, but it requires strategy and attention to detail. By following these steps, you can significantly boost your chances of making fast sales on Offerup. These strategies, which range from crafting unique listings and setting competitive prices to aggressively promoting your items and promptly responding, aim to accelerate your sales. With a little effort and attention to detail, you will be turning your items into cash in no time at all. Happy selling.